Abuti, say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning about direction. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
The word for left in Setswana is molema. And the word for right in Setswana is moja. And the word for straight in Setswana is tlamalala. Now let's use these directions to help Abuti get to Ausi. And now you know the words for directions in Setswana. Goodbye Abuti, goodbye kids, see you next time.